These are Jersey cows. Aren't they cute? What you doing there, little girl? What you doing? We're at the Fraley dairy cow auction, which is held a couple times a year, but they have one big one like this in the spring of the year. And this year they have a lot of jerseys. They're beautiful. I love jerseys. Yep. I'd like to have one of those. I wouldn't have to take them to the butcher either. That's something I'm not going to do anymore. Those days are done. If I have any more cows, it's going to be milk cows. Like these. Yep. What you doing there, little girl? What you doing? Okay. There we go.